What if I told you that a simple cup of tea, something your grandmother probably drank every single day, could be the key to rebuilding your strength and soothing those aching joints? I'm talking about teas you can find at any grocery store that cost less than your morning coffee and that have been scientifically proven to increase muscle mass and reduce joint pain in people over 60. Here's what nobody wants to talk about. After 60, you're losing about 3 to 8% of your muscle mass every decade. By the time you hit 70, you've lost enough muscle to significantly impact your daily life. That's why the grocery bags feel heavier. Why you need both hands to push yourself up from the couch. Why that flight of stairs might as well be Mount Everest. Your joints are crying out for help, too, with cartilage wearing down, inflammation increasing, and that morning stiffness lasting longer and longer each day. The medical establishment wants to put you on a dozen different pills, each with side effects worse than the problem they're supposed to solve. But what if the answer has been sitting in teacups for thousands of years? What if certain teas contain compounds that can actually signal your body to build muscle, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the very tissues that hold you together? Today, I'm going to reveal 3 specific tea that have been shown in peer-reviewed studies to increase muscle strength, reduce joint pain, and even help prevent the falls that send so many seniors to the hospital. One of these tea increased grip strength by 15% in just 8 weeks. Let's start with a tea that's hiding a secret weapon against muscle loss. Chapter 1. Green Tea. Green tea is not just a warm beverage to sip on a chilly morning. It is a true elixir, especially for seniors who want to protect their muscles, joints, and overall health. For thousands of years, green tea has been considered a healing drink in Asian cultures. And now, modern science is finally proving what tradition has always known. This simple leaf has extraordinary benefits for aging bodies. One of the biggest health challenges after 60 is the gradual loss of muscle. Muscles are like the body's engine. They give you energy, allow you to move with ease, and protect you from falls. Yet with age, the engine weakens. Here's where green tea becomes a secret weapon. The powerful antioxidants in green tea, especially catechins like EGCG, have been shown to fight inflammation and improve muscle function. Think of them as tiny repairmen traveling through your body, fixing damaged cells and giving your muscles the fuel they need to stay strong. But green tea doesn't stop at muscles. Your joints, the hinges that allow your body to bend, twist, and walk, also benefit from this remarkable drink. Many seniors experience stiffness, swelling, or pain due to arthritis or simply from years of wear and tear. Green tea acts like a natural shield, calming inflammation inside the joints and protecting cartilage from breaking down. Imagine oiling a rusty hinge on a door. That's what green tea does for your knees, hips, and shoulders. Beyond muscles and joints, drinking green tea daily also helps regulate weight, blood sugar, and even supports brain health. Seniors who drink green tea often report feeling more alert, energetic, and even happier. It's like nature's way of handing you a cup of youth, one sip at a time. Now let's make it practical. How can you enjoy it? The best way is to brew 1 or 2 cups each day, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. Avoid adding sugar. Instead, try a squeeze of lemon to boost flavor and enhance antioxidant absorption. And here's a fun fact. The warmth of the tea itself also relaxes your body and helps improve digestion, something many seniors struggle with. So, if you've been searching for a natural, safe, and affordable way to fight muscle loss and joint pain, look no further than your teacup. Green tea is more than a beverage. It is a daily ritual of self-care, a moment to pause, breathe, and give your body exactly what it needs. Now I'd love to hear from you. Do you already drink green tea, or is this something new you're excited to try? Share your answer in the comments below. And remember, even small steps like a daily cup of tea can make a powerful difference in your health after 60. Chapter 2. Fresh Turmeric Root. Imagine holding in your hands a piece of root so powerful, so vibrant, that ancient healers once called it the golden healer. That root is fresh turmeric. If you've ever cooked with it, you know its bright orange color can stain your fingers, your cutting board, even your clothes. But what you might not realize is that this humble root has the power to stain something else too, the course of your health, painting it in brighter, stronger, more vibrant shades. Turmeric has been used for over 4,000 years in traditional medicine, especially in India and Asia. And today, modern science is catching up to what ancient wisdom always knew. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a healing powerhouse. At the center of its power is a compound called curcumin. Think of curcumin as turmeric's engine, the part that gives it strength and allows it to fight hidden dangers inside your body. Now, why does this matter so much for seniors, especially when we're talking about muscles and joints? Well, let's picture this. After 60, our muscles naturally shrink. Our joints, especially the knees, hips, and hands, become stiffer and inflamed. Every step can feel heavier, and pain can slowly creep into daily life. This inflammation is like a slow-burning fire inside the body, weakening the muscles and grinding down the joints. And here's the secret: turmeric is nature's fire extinguisher. Curcumin works to calm down the flames of inflammation, protecting your joints from further damage and helping muscles recover faster. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume turmeric experience less stiffness, less pain, and greater mobility. Imagine walking with more ease, standing up without groaning, and even feeling strong enough to dance a little at family gatherings. But turmeric's benefits don't stop there. It's also a powerful antioxidant. That means it fights off those invisible troublemakers called free radicals. Free radicals damage your cells, making you age faster and weakening your muscles. Turmeric steps in like a shield, protecting your body from these hidden dangers and slowing down the aging process from the inside out. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. When turmeric is consumed fresh, not just as a powder from the store shelf, it's like drinking from the source itself. Fresh turmeric root contains oils and natural compounds that make it more bioavailable, meaning your body can actually absorb and use it better. And when you steep it into a tea, its healing power seeps gently into the water, creating a warm golden drink that comforts your body and soul. So, how can you enjoy this golden healer? Simple. Slice a few thin pieces of fresh turmeric root, boil them gently in water for about 10 minutes, and sip it as tea. You can even add a pinch of black pepper, because black pepper dramatically increases the absorption of curcumin, making turmeric work even harder for you. A squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey can turn it into a soothing, delicious ritual you'll look forward to every day. Let me ask you this: would you like to wake up in the morning, stretch, and feel less stiffness in your joints? Would you like your legs to feel stronger and your movements freer? Fresh turmeric tea may be one of the simplest, most natural steps toward that goal. So, my friend, don't underestimate that little golden root. In its humble form, it holds the promise of strength, flexibility, and resilience, exactly what every senior deserves. Chapter 3: Hibiscus Tea. Imagine holding a deep ruby-red cup of tea, its aroma slightly tart, its taste both refreshing and soothing. This is hibiscus tea, often called the tea of the pharaohs, because it was cherished in ancient Egypt as a drink of vitality and strength. Today, science is finally confirming what those before us already knew: hibiscus tea is more than just a beautiful beverage. For seniors over 60, it can be a true health ally, guarding both your muscles and your joints while also giving your heart a gentle shield of protection. Let's start with the most striking benefit: blood pressure support. As we age, arteries tend to stiffen, turning into what I like to call a hidden danger, a silent thief of energy and strength. High blood pressure doesn't just threaten the heart, it also reduces blood flow to muscles and joints, making them weaker and slower to heal. Hibiscus tea has natural compounds called anthocyanins, the same pigments that give blueberries their color, which relax blood vessels and promote smoother circulation. Better blood flow means your muscles receive more oxygen, your joints get more nutrients, and your body feels more energized. But hibiscus tea's magic doesn't stop there. Its antioxidants fight off free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage cells like rust eating away at iron. Seniors often experience inflammation that feels like an invisible fire inside the joints. Hibiscus tea helps to cool that fire. By reducing oxidative stress and calming inflammation, this ruby drink protects cartilage, the cushion inside your joints, from wearing down too quickly. Another hidden gem of hibiscus tea is its gentle effect on weight management and metabolism. Many seniors notice weight creeping up even when their diet hasn't changed much. This extra weight puts added pressure on the knees, hips, and back. Hibiscus tea helps the body process sugars and fats more efficiently, acting like a small daily reset button for your metabolism. Imagine sipping on a tea that not only refreshes your throat but also gives your joints a lighter load to carry. And let's not forget the emotional side. Growing older can sometimes bring stress, worry, or sleepless nights. Hibiscus tea contains mild compounds that act as natural relaxants. Drinking it in the evening can help settle the mind, allowing deeper rest. And as you know, Sleep is when your body repairs muscle tissue and reduces inflammation in your joints. Now, I want to ask you something. Have you ever tried hibiscus tea before? If you have, share your experience in the comments. Was it tart? Did you enjoy it hot, or maybe chilled like a refreshing summer drink? Your story could inspire another senior who's never tasted it. The beauty of hibiscus tea is that it doesn't just tackle one health issue, it works on the full picture. Stronger circulation, calmer joints, sharper metabolism, and a rested mind. A simple daily cup could be the floral secret your body has been waiting for. So, dear friend, we've walked together through the wonderful world of healing teas: green tea with its gentle but powerful antioxidants, turmeric root with its golden shield against inflammation, and hibiscus tea with its heart-loving, blood-balancing magic. Each of these teas alone is remarkable. But when you make them part of your daily life, they become something much greater. A protective trio that supports your muscles, soothes your joints, and refreshes your spirit. Remember, you are stronger than you think, and your best years can still be ahead of you. All it takes is the right choice, one soothing cup at a time.